Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful gaming motherboards from ASUS, the ROG Strix B550-F and the B650-A. In this video, we will explore their key specifications, features, and performance differences to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or the latest technology, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F supports the AM4 socket, making it compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3rd Gen Ryzen CPUs. In contrast, the B650-A features the AM5 socket, allowing it to support the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors. This difference is crucial for users looking to build a future-proof system. When it comes to memory support, the B550-F uses DDR4 memory, which is widely available and more affordable. On the other hand, the B650-A utilizes DDR5 memory, offering higher speeds and better performance but at a higher cost. This is an important consideration for gamers and enthusiasts looking to maximize their system's capabilities. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F supports PCIe 4.0, which is sufficient for most gaming needs. However, the B650-A takes it a step further with PCIe 5.0 support, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better performance with next-generation GPUs and storage solutions. This feature makes the B650-A more appealing for those looking to invest in cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F and B650-A motherboards offer excellent features for gamers. The B550-F is a budget-friendly option for those using older Ryzen CPUs, while the B650-A provides the latest technology for those looking to future-proof their builds. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.